Today is a very special day, so we make stew beef with orange. I see in this book it has the stew beef with orange. The one writes this book is Alania, and the book subtitle is His Kitchen. Next is the food. We need carrot, purple onion, garlic, Australia beef, corn powder, basil leaf, Australia orange, and the most important thing is the wine. It's made in Italy. This wine is very special and very heavy, and is made of 5 kinds of grapes, and it's 100% made in Italy. It gets 98 points. The best Italian red in 2020, and this wine became to the best wine in 2020. And you know what? There are just 219 of this bottle in Vietnam. We'll take all the beef and salt it with Himalaya salt. There's Australia friend, but I'm from Vietnam. 2 continents. Yeah. Yes. Alright. Now I will put the orange through the hot water a little bit, and we will cut it. This? Okay. Why? Why? Am I doing that? I'll take this. And this too. Now for the oranges and this too. We'll cut the onions and the garlic, the purple onions. Now I'll stir fry the beef. Yeah. Now I put the oil in, make it hot. Now stir fry it. Carefully put it there and put it 10, Mom. Then now we have to fit in. Now I will stir fry the purple onion and garlic. Mommy, put it in. Just put it in. And you put it in. Now put the beef in too. Slow down. And 7. Now we'll add one into the pan. We need more wine. Okay. Now the water. Now put the basil leaf in. Open. Now I will put the condole. Now we'll put the butter in. Now put the orange syrup in. Hot. Now we'll cut the huge wrap.